Hey everyone, Scott here, and welcome to the Solaire Hotel Resort and Casino in Manila, Philippines. Okay, I gotta say something real quick about this hotel, or this resort, or this casino, before I even get into the room tour here. Basically, this is a fancy pants place. I wasn't really expecting it to be so nice. I'm not really talking about the room, even though the room is very nice, which I'll get to in a moment. Everything is just incredible. This is really, really nice. But it's one of those kind of places where when you check in, whoever checks you in, they try to be your best friend, and then they actually escort you up into the room, and then they show you every little thing. Like, this is the bed, this is the closet, this is the TV, this is the counter, the storage cabinet. And I'm just like, okay, you don't need to do this. I mean, I appreciate the service, but it just feels, I don't know, it just kind of feels forced at times, and I'm just not that kind of guy. It's like I don't need an explanation of everything, or I don't need I didn't need my hand holded or my hand held all the way up here to the, what is this, fourth floor? I forgot. But anyway, all I'm saying is it's just that kind of place. So be prepared. It's a nice place, don't get me wrong. This is really nice. I'm actually a little underdressed for this. I don't know if there's a mirror. You can't really see, maybe in the reflection there. I'm wearing short pants today, and there are tourists and people wearing short pants down there, so it's not like I'm totally underdressed. But anyway, so yeah, this is my room, and it is a really, really nice room. As you can see, there is a king bed here and a lounging space over here. So it's kind of like a suite, and it's you know, it's huge. So you got this over here, you got the bed here, and then the bathroom in there, which I kind of just showed you. Then a huge closet. So, and check this out. Snacks. She explained what all of this stuff was. That's one thing I appreciated when she came up here and she explained what all this stuff was. I forgot. I have no idea. It's basically Philippine-style treats, which I have no idea. She said this is kind of like lemon juice. There's a name for it, but she said it's like lemon juice. So I'm gonna pop into that or crack that open, or it's already open. You know what I mean. And the view. This is really nice. So way over yonder, like right there is where I stayed last night. That's the Conrad. So I had to walk over here. And actually, as you can see, there's no way to walk this way. I had to walk there, and then here. It took about maybe 30 minutes to walk, even just from right there. Not complaining, it's just a little bit rainy today, so it was a little bit wet of a walk. Anyway, what a room, huh? This is really cool. Very well designed. This room and this style is very much like what you see downstairs. I mean, it's a lot of gold trim, a lot of wood accents, just really, really nice. Let's see. Before I walk away from this, let me just show you. This is the minibar, and I already cracked into one of those waters. I have no idea if that's actually even complimentary. Let's see here. The water is free. That's a good thing. It's a good thing because I already cracked into it. So, and then here, oh, look at that. Drinks, beverages. Too spendy for me. I will not be eating any of that. There's a place to put your makeup on. And then TV, closet. Yeah, this is really nice. And then the bathroom, which I just showed you. Huge tub, toilet, and then a decent looking shower. High ceilings. I just noticed that the ceilings in this place are very high, which is cool. I think I did okay. I mean, this is really nice. And it's a little bit, I don't know, maybe a little bit too nice for me. I don't really feel comfortable in places like this, but I'll take it. Not complaining. It's a good location, nice room. I like it. Anyway, if you have any questions or comments, do leave them down below. I will respond to them as soon as I can. And I'm looking at this out of the side of my eye as I'm wrapping this video up. Yeah. I don't know what I'm going to eat first. Anyway, I'm going to end this now. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.